Yo, what's up? Welcome to LayerUp Academy. If you're new here, just know I'm still learning Blender myself. Right now I'm focused on learning the basics of building my skills step by step. For this part of the journey, I'm just experimenting, playing around with stuff that I've learned, testing things out, and seeing what I could create. And who knows, I might discover something new along the way. So if you're learning too, or just enjoy the process, stick with me and we'll layer up together. So I'm going to go over here to the computer and we're going to screen record that and see how that goes. Alright guys, so I'm over here on 3D Blender. I already played with it, so let me new, general, don't save. So right now I got just a basic square. I know how to move around on it. I also got some notes pulled up over here on my Chromebook. I'm over here on the PC, so it should help me a little bit. We're just going to move around some stuff, see anything later on in the video. I am going to try and create this robot from this YouTuber, follow his steps and see if I learn anything while doing it myself. His link will be in the description. Everything will be over there. But anyways, let's get into it. So I know how to go up here to the object mode and to the edit mode. Okay, basic stuff. And then I know how to grab an item, right? So let's zoom in here. Let's move over here and select this corner, right, and stretch it out. Right there, it shows me the little circle where I pulled it from. So I'm gonna try to get it as perfect as possible. I haven't learned the reset button. Let me see. I got some notes pulled up. And if I hit tab, I can switch to object and edit mode, which is pretty nice. So at first when I clicked on here, I didn't know like anything. I was just like, I didn't even know how to move anything around. I couldn't move this around. I thought I had to do something with this camera, but that's something to just create a scene and like lighting. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm trying to learn how to make my own 3D builds to create like my own stuff, so I don't have to buy something or go to a Patreon and try to sell. I'm trying to grow my own business and do it from scratch. So I'm here learning it all, taking notes each day. So tonight I'll take some more notes and stuff like that. So on the next thing is like, what, day 2 is just like more of organizing my space and figuring that out. But first I gotta sit here and play around and figure that out. So let me see. So yeah, we can go like this. Let's try to just bring up everything. So how would I select each thing here? So let's do Alt. Okay, that's just clicking right there. I need to be able to select it all here. Oh, so A, that selects everything. I just want this, this, and this. Okay, I can't do that. How do I do that? So let's see. Let's just do this and let's go. I don't want to do that. Oh, so it's shift and then so how the fuck do you That's weird. So how do we... So let's hit we're in edit mode. So let's go to file new. Let's do this. So how do I select each face here? How do we... So that's not what I want to do. How the fuck do I select a face? So E. I'm so confused. Huh. I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm just clicking stuff. Whoa. The freak is that? Oh my god, what? Okay, hold on. What the? Oh, that's funny. Okay, let's go tab, okay, right. And how do I select one whole face here? Yeah, I want this whole face. Let me see. In the top left. So by pressing 3. Oh, let's go. Okay, click 3 to get that. That's crazy. All right, now let's see. Let's see. Okay, see. So we got that. Let's see. Let's make a stupid little guy, right? And then how would you? Okay. Okay. We got a kind of weird cross thing going on right now. Okay. Then let's see this. We're gonna have that. Yeah. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Okay. Whoa. That's weird. You guys see that? We're gonna leave it right there. Should we do this on the bottom? Let's do it on the bottom. That's so cool. Okay, let's do this one. Let's go. Like that. Alright, and let's do this. Just playing around right now. Okay, so right now that's what we got with just playing around on something. Let's put this. Let's go right here. Whoa. Yeah, so far what we got, we're just some basic stuff. I just had to see how to select a face. But we'll come back, we'll do some more. We'll do the tutorial on the one guy. Link will be in the description for him. And yeah.